Get ready. First 3 notes, F-A-C-A. Ready, and we go. 1, 2, 3. E-A-C-A. 1, 2, 3. F-A-D-A. 1, 2, 3. And F, B flat, D. Go to A now. Two bars of rest. 1, 2, 3. One more bar of rest. 1, 2, 3. Finger 3 go to A. Rest. 2, 3, 4. One more bar of rest. Finger 3 go to A. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Get ready your A. Ready and now. One, 2, go. E, F, rest and go. Rest and go. F, A, G, G, rest, rest. And go. Rest and go. Rest and go. Rest and go. Rest and go. Rest, rest and go. Rest, rest and go. Rest and rest and rest. And rest, go. Rest, 2, 3, go. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Get ready your A. Ready and we now. Rest. 2, 3, E, F. Chorus and go. Rest and go. Rest, rest. Go. Rest and go. Rest and go. Rest and go. Rest and go. Rest, 2 and go. Rest, 2 and go. Rest and rest and rest, go. 1, 2, 3. Last verse, A. One, 2, 3, 4. Going back to A. Ready and we go. Rest and go. Chorus. E, F. Rest and go now. Rest and go. Rest, rest. And go. Rest and go. Rest and go. Rest and go. Rest and go. Rest, 2 and go. Rest, 2 and go. Rest and rest and rest and rest and go. Rest, 2 and go. Rest and 2 go. And rest and get ready. Intro again and go. And E-A-C, 2, 3. F-A-D. F, B flat, D. 1, 2, 3, and N. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.